And now, improving life from Anderson Regional Medical Center.
Minimally invasive, extraordinarily precise. Urologist Mark T. Phillips, MD, offers less invasive surgical treatment for prostate and kidney cancer using Da Vinci robotic surgery and is the area's only Da Vinci cancer surgeon. Today, Dr. Phillips explains the advantage of this type of surgery.
Da Vinci system at Anderson's is a procedure using laparoscopic surgery assisted by the robot to perform multiple surgical procedures. We do many things with the robot. It has a lot of advantages. It's as good as our open technique. They're doing comparing studies, and the way you compare studies like that is it's as good as our open technique. The incontinence rate is very, very low. The sexual dysfunction rate depends on the patient, stage of cancer, and that's varying degree, but it's at least as good as our open technique. So from a cancer standpoint, it does just as well with having these other advantages, so it's a clear advantage. Patients are usually referred to our office. There are patients that I see from out of town because I am the only surgeon in Meridian and in the local area that is using the Da Vinci system. I see patients as far as Columbus and closer to Jackson and even down south as far as Laurel. And they call in, they want an appointment, they can get diagnosed other places, and they can get an appointment. All they have to do is call our office, call the referral line, and they can get in and get to see it.
Be sure to tune in each Wednesday morning on Good Morning Meridian for more health news with improving life.